Today, we're going to be discussing how to install the new battery mod from FunnyPlaying into your Gameboy Color. This mod removes the need for regular alkaline batteries and gives you a 1800 mAh lithium-ion battery. This mod allows you to recharge the lithium-ion battery with the OEM 5V power port on the bottom of the console. This kit also requires that you have the original power regulator on the console. This means if you've already upgraded to a clean power mod or something similar, this mod may not work for you. It's also important to mention that you cannot play and charge the system at the same time. You'll have to power off the system before charging the battery. The only modification that will need to be made to the motherboard of the console is removing one fuse and soldering the new control board over top of the original regulator. It just gets 3 points tacked down onto the pins of the regulator. Fuse F1 will need to be removed from the board. I desoldered mine but left one leg tacked on so that if I ever chose to remove the mod, I could put the fuse back and have a working console again. Once you've got those 3 points secured, there's going to be 2 pads on the board that you'll tin and solder the provided wires to. They're labeled in and out. The out pad will be soldered to the leftmost pad of the fuse that we moved. The in pad will get soldered to the right pad of the fuse that we removed. Next up is removing the battery terminal and potentially cutting out the plastic that will be in the way of the battery, depending on which shell you used. For mine, I removed the bulk of the plastic with flush cutters. I then hit the inside with a rotary tool to help smooth out the plastic and ensure that my battery won't be damaged while sitting inside of the compartment. Take care to ensure that your battery is safe, as a lithium fire is not something that you want to deal with. Once you've cleared the room for the battery, you can then run the wire coming from the battery through the top portion of the battery case. It will then just press down onto the connector on the control board, simply place it on top and press down gently. From this point, you can then begin to put your console back together as normal. And that's it. We hope this helped. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe and check out our wiki in the description.